First, open Google, yes, the same Google you use for everything, and type iCadrace free. Click the first link. If you click the second one, good luck. Once you're on the website, scroll all the way down. Keep scrolling, yes, more, and finally click on download. To download, you'll need to create an account. Don't panic, no credit card, no soul required. It's easier to sign in with Google or just do a quick sign up and move on with your life. After logging in, guess what? Yep, click the same download link again on the home page because one click is never enough. When the download finishes, extract the zip file into a folder, any folder. Just don't lose it like last time. Now, double click the Cadrace executable file to open the program. Congratulations, you made it. From the file menu, import your 3D model. Use the right click, left click, and middle mouse button to move the model around until it finally looks right, or at least acceptable. Increase these two values to get a better quality render. Higher number 6 happier pixels. Click on the model, open the material menu, and choose the material you like. Yes, even that shiny one. After each material change, wait 30 seconds to 1 minute. This is the official stare at the screen and pretend you're busy time. And finally, go to File Save Image to save your beautiful, fully rendered image. Done.